morning, everyone. Yes, welcome back again to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher Samdy. Alright, everyone. Do you have breakfast already this morning? Okay, already, right? Great job. So right now, everyone, please well prepare and sit properly and study with teacher together. Okay, can you tell teacher what day is today? Correct. Today is Friday. Are you happy when you hear Friday, everyone? Okay, great job. Alright, so today is Friday. What about the month? What is the month, everyone? Yes, correct. The month is September. September. What about the date? The date is 17. Okay, the date is 17 and the year is 2021. So every Friday's session we always study two subjects, right? Okay, first session with our Tango phonics subject and second session with my first letter subject. Okay, everyone, now do you have all of the studying material on your table, everyone? Excellent. Make sure you have Tango phonics textbook and all of these material. Okay, great job, everyone. Alright, so for first session we also learn about our Tango phonics, and yesterday class on Thursday we learned about our Tango phonics as well. So can you tell teacher what did we learn yesterday? What did we learn about, everyone? Correct. We have learned about the sound F. Okay, sound F with letter F. Okay, sound F. And how many words that we learned from our sound F yesterday, everyone? 3 words. Correct. What were they? They were fan. Correct. Fish. Yes, you are right. And the last one is fox. Okay, excellent, everyone. Alright, we have learned 3 words from our sound F. And do you remember about the spelling of them? Okay, now let's review and spell all of those words with teacher together. Okay, great job. Now look at our whiteboard together, everyone. Okay, so tell teacher, what is the first picture here? What is this, everyone? Yes, correct. This is a fan. This is a fan. Okay, everyone, can you spell the word fan? Excellent, you spell correctly. Fan, F-A-N, fan. Good, everyone. What about the next picture? What is this? What is this? Correct, this is fox. 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 Everyone, please spell the word fox. Well done, you spell correctly. Fox, F-O-X. Fox. Fox. So this is fox. Okay, what about the last picture? What is this? Yes, correct. This is fish. Fish. Everyone, please spell the word fish. Great job, you spell correctly. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish. Wow, good student. You can remember well with our previous lesson. And today class we're gonna continue our lesson together. But before that, teacher want all of you to listen to our audio track that related to our sound F together one more time. Everyone, now enjoy listening.
Track 21. Listen, point, and repeat.
F, F.
F, F.
Fish.
F, fish.
Fan.
F, fan.
Fox.
F, fox. Track 22. Chant along.
Fish. Fish. F Fan. Fan. F Fox. Fox. Fish. Fish. Fan. Fan. Fox. Fox. Fish. Fish. Fan. Fan. Fox. Fox.
Excellent, everyone. How do you feel after listening to our audio track? Okay, very good. Alright, so right now, please open your Tango Phonics textbook together on page 23. Okay, so we're gonna do some exercise on page 23. Okay, everyone, now are you on page 23 with teacher? Great job. Okay, now let's see the first exercise. Okay, everyone, so the first exercise here, we need to circle the F words, then write letter F. Circle the F words, then write letter F. As you can see all of this picture here, right? Okay, let's tell teacher what is the first picture here, everyone? What is this? Correct, you're right. This is ant. Ant. Okay, this is ant. What about the next picture? What is this? What is this, everyone? Correct. This is elephant. 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 Okay, this is elephant. Great job. What about this one? What is this, everyone? Yes, you are right. This is fish. 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 Okay, great job. What about the next one? What is this? What? Yes, good. This is a duck. Okay, this is a duck. This is a duck. Good. What about the next one? What is this, everyone? Correct. This is a fan. Fan. Okay, good. What about the last picture? Fox. Correct. Fox. So right now, teacher give you 1 minute to do this exercise. So you need to circle all the F words, then write letter F in the in the middle. Okay, everyone, now please find F words and then write letter F together. Now please do it, everyone. Everyone, are you ready? Great job. Okay, now let's correct it with teacher together. Okay, great job. Alright, so tell teacher what is the first F word that you can find. Which one? Correct, you are right. The first one is fish. Okay, have you circled fish, everyone? Okay, great job. Now teacher also circle the word fish, okay, or the picture of fish, okay, because it starts with letter F. Okay, great job, everyone. Fish. And what about the next picture? What picture did we circle, everyone? Which one? Correct, we circle fan. Okay, the next one is fan. Fan. Have you already circled fan? Excellent. Okay, what about the last picture or the last word? Which one did you circle, everyone? Which one? Yes, you are right. The last one is fox. Now we circle fox. Great job, everyone. We circle fox. Okay, and after that, we need to write letter F in the middle. Okay, have you finished writing letter F, everyone? Great job. Wow, excellent, everyone. You are so clever. Okay, now we finish our first exercise. Now let's move to next exercise. Okay, everyone, so the next exercise here, we need to listen and then circle. Everyone, now teacher gonna play audio track for you. You need to listen and then circle the correct sound that you hear. Okay, excellent, everyone. Now please enjoy listening and circle this exercise together.
Track 23. Listen and circle.
1. Duck, duck. 2. Egg, egg. 3. Fish, fish. 4. Fan, fan.
Excellent everyone. Okay, do you get the answer? Okay, can you show me? Wow, excellent. So now let's see together. So here teacher also finished the call after hearing from the audio track. Okay, now look at the answer. Great job everyone. Alright, so now we finish our both exercise. Excellent everyone. Okay, right now our first session is finished. Everyone, see you guys in the second session. Goodbye.